Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you the mini project called calculator in Java. How to create a simple calculator which perform the basic operation like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication with the clear screen support also with the help of JSwing. Let's go over session today. So I am going to show the demonstration with the execution also. You also can try later. It will be very useful for who want to develop the knowledge in Java language and especially who want to learn Java and get the fundamental knowledge in the Java. So look like so let's say the example screen. So if you create the coding, what at last what will happen while executing the user, any user can perform the operation. They can press the number 56 plus 2 by something whatever one whenever clear it will be clear. So the person can the user can perform the operation like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and so on and so on. So for this is but for this only we are going to see the coding with simple and easy only. So here I'm going to use the JFrame concept. So I'm going to import the package that is aw.color and auction event. Then I'm going to call the auction listener. Then I'm going to add the java x.swing.j button. Then JFrame, JPanel, JTextField, and UI manager. And also I'm importing the unsupported look and feel exception and so on. Then I'm going to create the just using the color pen here. Yes. So here I'm going to create a class called calculator app. So I'm going to save the program. The program name is called calculator app.java. So at last I can execute. So extends JFrame, then implements auction listener, then provides static finder and so on. Some ID is there. Then I'm going to declare like the method like static JFrame frame, then static J text field as text field, then string first comma second comma operator. So because we are going to create the we are going to do the operations like first, second, and so on and so on. Then I'm going to call the constructor that is calculator up. I'm going to say here first equal to second is equal to operator and so on. Then public static void main I'm using. Then unsupported look and feel I'm using. Then frame is equal to I'm giving new J frame of call. That is just I'm giving the create the object here. Then UM manager dot set look and feel. UM manager dot get look and feel because once the executed the application, user can feel and check whatever one operation to whenever press the symbol of the dot will come whenever press zero or one whenever user press the one it will display like that. And calculator app I'm creating the object like calculator is called that is calculator is equal to new calculator app. Then I'm continuing with the program here. Then I'm going to use a text field that is a new J text field 16. That means the screen will be some sizes there. 16 I'm giving. Then I'm going to set editable false because initially it will be 0 only. Then I'm going to set buttons for calculating the design the calculator. That is a button 0, 1, 2, 9. Because if you want to perform the any arithmetic operation, we need the numbers like 0 to 9. Then I'm going to create the button called add button, subtraction button, division button, multiplication button, and a dot button for decimal, then clear button and equal button. So when I press clear, so suppose I perform the operation 2 plus 2 for 4, it will be cleared. When I press the clear, user press the clear, it is a clear only. Then I'm going to add the buttons like button new components like button 0 is equal new button J button of 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, and also adding the other buttons like add button. Then use the operators like plus, minus, division, multiplication, and so on. Dot for the decimal and so on. Then I'm going to ask call the add the auction listener also. Then I'm going to use the listener with the calculator. So whenever because it just now told you we already created the object here. See already we created the here before here we created the app calculator here. So we are going to implement and call here. So here we are using the with the add action listener calculator because whenever the user press the every button will give some actions. So then like that I'm continuing all the buttons what are the buttons given 9 buttons and this division multiplication I'm going to add the add action listener here. Then I'm going to continue the program the JAP and then I'm going to look out for the J panel where we can see everything properly. So J panel I'm giving you J panel. Then I'm giving panel dot add text field. Then panel dot add button of 7. Then I'm giving button 8, 9 and so on. And division also I'm giving. Then I'm continuing all the button with the names. All the operations what we are going to perform here. Then like that I'm performing all dot button, clear button, and so on and so on. Then I'm going to set background color as a green. So if you want to change red or anything, you can change it later. Then I'm going to order the frame now. Frame dot order panel. Then frame dot set size of the frame size might be 200, 220, and frame dot show. So whatever the frame size giving, that frame size is like this is show here in the screen. Like this, like this. So simple calculator, no? Like this show. Can go to the next program. Then I'm going to use the override method. Then I'm using the public void method action performed action event. Then I'm going string action is equal to e dot get action command of. Why means if the value is number, then we can go for this correct this one. If action dot character of 0 and so on, and if action dot equals to no action like that. So we are going to use the if statement, else statement here. Set the value of text here. This is for later can check it out. Then else if character at 0. Whenever the user press, remember, so every action, this will be action is there if the user press it. Okay, if it is 0 and 9, no problem. It will take something, otherwise not. That's remember. Then I'm going to say if operator of double result. So whenever the user from the addition operation can perform, or else you can go for subtraction or addition plus multiplication division also they can go. But that is only we are writing this much coding here. Then I'm going to use again the double parts like that giving the double dot parts second so on and so on I'm giving here. So double string if operator dot equals up then what and second and then the pipe symbol. Okay, second dot equals up and the operator is good action, else double result if operator is so on I'm giving the conditions simple and easy only for performing the arithmetic operations. And I'm going to write the result here, that is results equal to double dot parse double of fast and so on I'm giving here. Then I'm continue the program like this only, double dot to string of result. So operator is good action. So whenever user press a clear, it will be clear. Whenever the user press the equal button, it's a result. For example, 5 plus 12, 10, 10 minus 2, 5 it will say, or else 5 divided by 2, it will say 2.5 like that. So that is only I'm writing the coding here. If first dot equals of what, then first equal to operator is equal to second and so on and so on. I'm writing the coding here. And text field dot test set text field of first plus operator plus second. So that's I'm just told in 5 plus I'm giving 2, it will say 7 whenever you suppress the result here. So like that we can implement the simple calculator and easily. And just to show the execution, I go move on to other screen where I'm going to show here. This is the command prompt already I compiled here. So simple and easy. So I'm giving the Java. So if at all this one coming, no problem. Here is Java C calculator dot op dot Java calculator op dot Java. Then I'm giving Java calculator of. And after that is showing. I'm going to new show here. So it's showing the output like this. So if you want, you can change the J panel size or anything. It becomes show big also. Sorry. So back here. So I make it here and show the. Suppose I'm typing like I'm going to perform the like. Suppose I'm giving 56 multiplication 2 n plus g equal to say answer. So 56 minus 2. Then when I give C, it will clear. Just I'm performing 56 plus I'm giving just 4. Okay, that is 60. You know 60 divided by 6 I'm giving. It will say answer of what? It will say answer. That is it's a answer. That is 10 like this. So you can perform the operation 60 by 6. Then I'm giving plus again adding plus 5. It will say answer now. Whenever you say plus here. Plus minus division operations are. So n plus equal to high. So like this I can perform the operation like this. Continue 6 like that. When I give it will carry out on say the answer here. So like that you can perform the additional operations that like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication with the help of calculator is very simple and easy here. So when you press see clear button, it will be clear. So when you start, I'm giving, for example, I am giving you 18 multiplies 2. Okay, then divided by I'm giving 8, it will say the answer like this. When you press the equal button, it is the answer here. Like that will be there. So I hope that you understand this mini project, like how to create the calculator with the help of swing concept. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. What are going to give in the description box. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share to your friends. Thank you.